Laziness fosters evil habits. Second, go to school regularly and recall to mind what is taught in the week.
Okay, Mummy, I'll go to school.
Attain punctuality by means of a regular timetable.
Granny, today I helped my friends in their studies.
Very good, my child. St. John says, the day in which you have not done any good to your fellow man will not be recorded in your book of life.
Okay, Granny, he's my good friend.
Let your friend be those who love God.
Granny, now I'm going to play.
You ought to wish home before evening and take part in the evening prayer.
Okay, Granny.
Papa, I got a new book from the library.
Dear child, regular reading of good books and meditating on them will illumine the mind.
Papa, today I saw Peter arguing with her mother.
Even if you are grown up in age and maturity, you have to respect your parents and submit to them. Do you know the humble man is the greatest among the men?
On this occasion, belated happy feast of Saint Shauna to everybody. Because, shall I ask some questions?